Renew. Be confident. Be in control. Be you. The Renew insert has been designed for simplicity and ease of use. Always speak to your healthcare professional first so they can make sure it's the right product for you. The Renew insert is available in 2 sizes, regular and large. If you have a starter set, you can try both to see which works best for you. The system is designed to be used whilst you are sitting on the toilet, so make sure you have everything to hand before starting. Sit on the toilet as if you are going to evacuate your bowels. Open the pack by peeling back the lid and removing it completely. Push your index finger into the applicator as shown. Your fingernail should be against the paperclip style feature. Lift the insert from the pack and push the nipple on the top of the insert to make sure it is attached to the applicator correctly. While sat on the toilet, use your other hand to locate your anus. Then, with your palm facing upwards, gently push the insert into your anus using steady, gentle pressure. Push the insert until the fingertip touches your anus. Withdraw the applicator and the insert will remain in place. Dispose of the applicator into your household waste and wash your hands thoroughly. To remove the insert, simply pull the bottom disc and then dispose of it in your household waste and wash your hands thoroughly. For more information and guidance, consult your healthcare professional, visit our website, or contact our free phone support line